taking things a little farther. Neither one was a plan. I was doing my best to try and hold her with two shaky hands. She said, stay a little longer. I said, I gotta get you longer. Your daddy ain't gonna understand. She took my hand, pulled it down. We made love in that wet sand. In the Alabama rain, falling all around us, watched it all around. Nothing but the sound of two arms beating. Heaven play, heaven play. In the Alabama rain, nothing in between us, soaking with skin, shivering the day's touch. I can still remember how she stole my heart away. In the Alabama rain, Alabama rain, oh, Alabama rain, Alabama rain.
That's a Zach Young written and performed song right there. That's some good shit.